So here is your Insta 360 Go3S action camera. So here are the accessories that it came with. You have also a quick start guide that came with it. So if you want to use it right away, you have this pictured guide for your action pod and the buttons, and you can also go to the website. But here's the main part of the camera. That's the Go3S camera, and you have the charging pad there. And also you will need to download the app, so make sure you have the space to download it. And you need to create an account if you don't have one yet, because whenever you take videos or photos from your Go3S camera and you want to edit it, it has to go through the app. And here are the other accessories that came with it. That's the pivot cam or pivot stand, and you have the Go3S camera and the magnet pendant. You have the guidelines, the waterproofing guidelines, the safety guidelines with it, and you would also see a quick start guide. And there's a charging cable that came with it, and the easy clip. And again, this is the pendant for your neck pendant. This is very easy to use. You just use it like a necklace, and then since it's a magnet, it can just attach the Go3S camera, and it holds really strong. So I've used it several times since purchase, and it holds it. And at each accessory you'll have specific instructions, so it will be easy for you to just follow the specific instructions without having to look at the guide. And here's a quick sample of how the magnet works in that pendant. So basically you wear that necklace pendant under your shirt, and you can magnet the Go3S camera so it can capture. And here's a quick look at when you're connecting your Go3S camera to the app. So they are gonna be connected on the same network. So basically you're just using your internet. And in order for you to transfer, to move your video captures and photos, you will have to do this every time. So you will have to connect your camera to your phone or iPad or computer or PC where you have downloaded the app. You will probably see this if you have just started using the app, so you will want to update the firmware. And in order for you to update the firmware, make sure both the camera, Go3S camera, is fully charged, as well as your phone or any iPad you're using for the app. And here's a quick view. So once you've connected to the network, you will then be able to access all your recordings and photos and videos.